Justice Samuel Alito signed the order, which indicates that the court now expects to act by Friday night, as you said. And what this means is that the Supreme Court is not restricting access to mifepristone, at least for now.
It's not that much more time in the scheme of things. You know, we're talking 48 hours.
The Supreme Court is giving itself 2 more days to consider a lower court's ruling about mifepristone, which is an abortion pill used in the majority of abortions, according to the CDC. A ruling by the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals upholds a ruling by a federal judge in Texas, which reverses the FDA's approval of the drug.
Following the Supreme Court's terrible decision in Dobbs.
Here in Massachusetts, Governor Maura Healey issued an executive order earlier this month to stockpile the often prescribed abortion medication.
I can assure the public that no matter what the Supreme Court does, mifepristone will remain available here to women across Massachusetts.
While this is another case about abortion, coming less than a year after Roe v. Wade was struck down by the High Court, the case now at hand has perhaps even farther-reaching implications, including the strength of the FDA's authority as a regulatory agency.
They may be trying to craft a decision that lets them limit those issues coming before the Supreme Court.
News Center 5 legal analyst Martha Coakley says despite the deadline extension, the court's options likely remain the same.
Keep the status quo, uphold what the Fifth Circuit did, and maybe a third option would be for them to take the case themselves.
And so mifepristone, which is the abortion drug that is at the center of this controversy, was approved by the FDA back in 2000. And since then, more than 5 million women have used it. Reporting live in Cambridge, Todd Kiskiewicz, WCVB.